Hey guys, how's it going? So this is an exclusive video. Sorry, this is a time exclusive video for my stock market membership group. I will be releasing this when I go to I guess Vegas. I will be time releasing this on my YouTube channel. So, but right now this video is basically time exclusive for my members. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my corporation portfolio. I guess I decided I'm gonna share it with YouTube while I'm gone. But yeah, no, okay. So I believe that so right now, in my investment, I have a total of 500. My corporation has a total as of, I guess, November 27th. My corporation has a total of $500,000 in cash and investments. So most of it is in investment, and about $40,000 of it is in cash as of now. It could change tomorrow. It could change the next day, just depending if I sell or buy or do whatever. Why I believe I'll be okay in the future, because I have acreage holdings. I mean, I could probably sell this off, take a profit, but I'm scared. I really like this company, and I don't want to sell too many shares. I want to have a certain amount of shares, but if the stock price goes back to below 22.57, I will definitely be adding on to my position on acreage holdings. I almost guarantee you that, because I do have some US cash, because I really like acreage holdings, and I believe that in the future it will be worth at least $100 in a year or 2 years from now. It will be worth $100. At $100, that is still $100,000 investment if I ever sell at $100, because I do believe that's where acreage holding stock is heading when it gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange. I really do believe that. Liquor stores is a concern for me. I mean, I kind of predicted the stock price would drop to $7.15, but I mean, it's still a shocker to me that the price is this low. I mean, I don't the business is not in danger of going bankrupt. The stock market, the stocks can do whatever it wants. It doesn't matter. I mean, the stock could go to $5. I mean, would there be any logic behind it going to $5? Absolutely not. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. The stock can go as low as, as traders make it out to be. So I know it makes it interesting. I mean, if it drops really low, I may make a big position. If it ever drops to $5, right now, I think it's a very good price. If it drops any more tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna be a buyer. I don't understand the logic behind the stock going down so much, but if they get the sales license, I mean, if they get the license in Ontario, I think the stock price will have a nice rise. This is my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Aurora, yeah, I could lose all my money off Aurora. I could. I mean, all that money in Aurora could go to acreage holdings, and I could lose all my money. It's a total possibility. I don't think so, but it's a possibility, right? It is the risk I'm taking by holding on to my 25,000 Aurora shares and possibly buy more in the future. So, that's $182,000 gone if I lost it all. I still have $300,000. I mean, I won't lose all of it. The worst case scenario, the stock goes back down to $2 and hovers around $2 to $3 forever. So I can lose probably 90% of it, but still, my corporation will be still over $300,000. I don't think both acreage holdings and Aurora will both collapse on me. I really don't think so. And then I have some Canopy too, so I don't think Canopy is gonna completely collapse on me and go back to $10. I really don't. I mean, $20, I guess. I don't think it will. I think worst case scenario, we hit the mid 30s, and then I'll just bounce rapidly back to the 40s. That's like worst case scenario. I think right now is a good buying opportunity at $42. I'm trying to aim for $40, but I'm just being a little bit more aggressive. I do believe that right now is a pretty decent buy if you look long term, but short term if you buy now, you could be in some pain. But I still believe that is a decent buy at this price point. This is just my opinion though. Canopy Rivers, I'm really pissed off. I lost on this, but you know what? That's all right. I can just near the time when I do my report, I can sell off Canopy Rivers, take a loss, and take the taxes on it. That's what I was thinking of doing, so I could just, sell it off, take the loss, and then, a $19,000 loss will equal out my taxes, and I won't have to pay the government as much money. I could do that. DigiAF, Bitcoin gamble. This stock used to be $1. Like it went all the way up to $1, and then it crashed all the way below a penny. One day it could do something. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes back to like $10,000, this stock will probably go back to 10 cents. So it just depends all on Bitcoin at the end of the day. It's a small gamble. I could make something out of it, or I could completely lose it all. At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter because I don't have that much invested into it, like $4,000. If I lose it all, boohoo, I guess, right off from taxes. This is a lithium investment. I put a decent amount into it. I could lose it all at the end of the day, but I don't think so. I think one day lithium will have its run again. That's my gamble anyways. Hive, another Bitcoin play. I could sell it off, take the losses, and then just take it off my taxes. I may do that near the start of maybe near the start of 2006. Sorry, before my corporate earnings. Before I have to hand in my corporate earnings, I can just sell it off and then deduct my taxes from my losses from, Hive. It could go to a penny, whatever. I just lose another $1,325. If it goes to a penny, I'm probably gonna buy more just for fun. Why not? Ianthus, I do believe in this company, and if it drops lower, I'm gonna be buying more. I do believe that this stock will go to $12, so I could potentially, double my money. I could buy more the lower it drops. So I'm hoping this stock goes like $3. It would make my dream come true. I would be a big buyer at $3. Wayland. I do plan to buy more Wayland. I could have sold out, took a profit, and then rebought now, but I did sell half of it. But I do believe in Wayland in the long term. I believe that Wayland could be a 3 or 4 bagger. Even with a reverse split, I don't think it matters. If they use the reverse split to list on the NASDAQ, I do believe that the stock price will get rewarded for it. Because Wayland's a good company. They just need some time. They just need time to get their facility, the GMP facility, up and running at 100%. Once that happens, Wayland's value should go up dramatically because they should be generating close to $1 billion from that one facility once it's 100% operational. At least this is what I believe, because they're selling in Europe, they're selling in Alberta, and they have a $250 million market cap. I believe that once that facility is up and running at 100%, they should be worth at least $1 billion. Just my opinion, though. We'll see what happens. And I think Wayland will eventually generate $1 billion. I do believe so. XMG Minerals. I could have sold this out. I could have took a profit and I could have rebought here again. But I decided to long term it. Now I'm hurting. But, at least now I have an option to buy more MGX if I wanted to. I do believe in this company in the long term. I do believe that this company can double or triple my money. So right now is just a buying opportunity for me. Micron Waste Technology is a gamble. I'm not saying it's not a gamble. It's definitely a gamble. But I do believe that, you know, Micron will have its day and it will rise to $1. That's what I do believe. So I still believe I can make some money off Micron. MPX. MPX is part of Ianthus. I'm trying to swing trade this. I failed. I mean, I'm basically trying to swing trade this. But if it gets converted into Ianthus shares, it gets converted into Ianthus shares. Who cares? Like, I'm happy with that. Namaste is a gamble. It's a big gamble, but the lower the price stocks drops, the better opportunity is to buy, because I am willing to roll my dice with Namaste, and I do believe, I mean, it's possible. Like, I'm not saying that they can't create a business. I believe that they can create a business. They are the most risky company out of my portfolio. They are very risky. I'm not like, unfortunately, I know there's a lot of people that love Namaste, but I do believe Namaste is a risky play. They may never rise again, but I still willing to gamble on them. So if the stock price drops and drops and drops, I'll be buying and buying and buying. I promise you this. And if it ever drops to $1, that's where I would make a huge purchase on Namaste. If it drops below $1, I'll just keep buying. I wouldn't care anymore. I'd just be like, buy. And I would cross my fingers and hope, you know, something big happens, because at $1, oh man, like if at $1 and the stock goes back to $3, you just 300% your money. That's insane amount of return. So if the stock goes at $1, buy. For me, I promise you that. New age beverages. You know, I do believe in this company in the long term. I do believe that the stock will eventually hit $10. It may take some time, but I think it will. I think worst case scenario, it dips back to $3. Like worst case scenario, it goes to the low 250s. But I'll never go below like 250 ever, at least in my opinion, unless the management like really f's up. And I highly doubt the management. I really like the management. They just got $60 million of cash. They have an actual business. They're very well established in the United States as a drink company, and they're in the health drink category, and I like that. So organic drinks and all that crap, but it's organic's kind of fake, but whatever. Patriot One. Long term, this company could be worth $10. Very long term, I'm saying like in the next 2-3 years, maybe. It just depends on how management executes. If they manage to get a lot of deals in the United States and have their machines at every Walmart, at every subway station, at every like location possible, this stock could get rewarded. It could go to $10. I'm definitely camping this stock. I'm willing to give it a shot, but I'm not gonna pay infinite price for it. Like, I made a swing trade on it today. I will be sharing that on YouTube later. You know, RMHB, small gamble I took. I just put in $1,000, and I'm a little bit more than $1,000, bought 100,000 shares. It's down a little bit. If it goes down to like really low, then I'm gonna pick some more up. I did do my research on the company. It is kind of interesting, and I mean, it could be a real company. It could go to 10 cents one day, and you know, 10 times my money, make me $9,000 in cash. I don't know. It's just a small little gamble, a little dice. I don't know what the future is. Tesla. I vow to never sell Tesla stock ever. I don't care. I mean, okay, I don't vow forever ever. I vow not to sell Tesla stock for a while, at least a year. 1 year. 1 year, I will not sell any Tesla stock. I do believe that this stock is going to $600 plus, and if it ever dips back to $300, I would definitely be a buyer. I would be adding more to my Tesla stock if I have the cash, because, you know, I might run out of US cash before Tesla goes to $100. I'm not gonna lie, I might. So, if like maybe if I had a margin account, maybe I will use my margin account to buy some Tesla stock. I might. I mean, I do really believe in Tesla. So if Tesla drops to $250, depending on the news, you know, depending on the news. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's not a smart choice. Maybe I should use a margin account on Apple. But, you know, I'm willing to take the gamble on Tesla. I do believe Tesla will be the future of the smart car industry. You know, and then Tilray, I'm not worried about Tilray. They're backed by billionaires. The company already makes absolutely no sense. So I'm gonna invest in it because it makes no sense. I mean, if I came back into positive money, I might sell out because I need the US cash. But I'm always gonna cap the stock and buy it. If it ever goes to like $100 or below $100, I'll buy some. Why not? The stock could go to $1,000 one day in the future. The logic behind it, none. The company just succeeds like a little bit and claws their way behind the big players, and the stock will be like $400, $500. If Canopy becomes a $50 billion company, this company will be worth $500, and Andrew Leff will be sweating balls. So, I don't know. I do believe in Tilray though. I think Tilray, the rich investors are gonna back them. I'm not gonna get greedy with Tilray. Hell no. I'm scared of Tilray, but I'm willing to put my gamble in it because I know it's backed by billionaires. That's my logic behind it. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this is at least, oh wow, 17 minutes. Thanks for watching. This is a time exclusive video, and see you guys later. Bye.